Today we're talking about game-changing automation with GKE, BigQuery BI Engine, and keeping the cloud safe. I'm Stephanie Wong, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. Organizations that need the highest levels of reliability, security, and scalability for their applications choose Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. Until now, Kubernetes still involved a fair bit of manual assembly and tinkering to optimize it for your needs. We're introducing GKE Autopilot, a revolutionary mode of operations for managed Kubernetes that lets you focus on your software while GKE Autopilot manages the infrastructure like auto-scaling and auto-upgrades of nodes, plus day 2 operations. We're also extending BigQuery BI Engine to work with any business intelligence or custom dashboarding applications that require sub-second query response times. In this preview, BI Engine will work seamlessly with Looker and other popular BI tools without requiring any change to the BI tools themselves. Not only is BI Engine now natively integrated into the BigQuery API, you can also reserve BI Engine capacity in your own GCP project. Check out the announcement for more info. This podcast will bring you stories and insights on security in the cloud and what we're doing at Google Cloud to help keep customer data safe and workloads secure. We'll do our best to cut to the heart of real security questions and issues. If you have topics you're interested in hearing about, listen to the podcast and let us know. Need a quick overview of Google Cloud core technologies? Quickly learn these 21 Google Cloud products from Anthos to PubSub, each explained in under 2 minutes. Check out the blog to read more and see the videos. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.